There's a girl who named Arbes who is always on her phone. She's so busy with her games and social media that she doesn't notice what's happening around her. She doesn't realize that she's missing something important, the fun of being young.
We live in a world where technology has not unfit generation. Gadget addiction can trap people, preventing them from improving their critical thinking, abilities, owning their talents, relationships, and communication skills. This addiction affects the gradual fading of our culture, especially in terms of cultural gifts, which are an integral part of childhood and are being missed by this generation. These cultural things are what bring us together, that get us moving and teach us valuable life skills. Understanding potential risk is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance, as excessive gaming can lead to addiction, social isolation, and mental health issues. Online gaming has both positive and negative impact. Online gaming is often used as a coping mechanism for stress, anxiety, and social pressures. By acknowledging this and promoting balanced lifestyles, individuals can develop a healthy gaming habits, maximizing benefit and minimizing harms. Spending time outdoors strengthens both body and mind, offering fresh air, exercise, and real-life connection. Too much screen time can lead to inactivity, affecting our health. So step outside to boost energy, improve fitness, and enjoy nature. Balance your time with outdoor play and activities for a healthier and happier lifestyle.
Okay guys, tara na, let's go home na. Okay, bye guys. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
She realizes true joy comes from her friends, who help her feel a unique happiness she hadn't experienced before. While Arbis is on her phone, thanking her friends and saying take care and goodbye, she remembers the fun moments they shared. She realizes it's more enjoyable to connect with others and do things that brings real happiness.